The former chairman of the Ikeja branch of the Nigeria Bar Association, Bath Agwegbodo, has announced his candidacy for the national position of vice chairman within the association. Agwedo expressed his desire to establish a recognizable presence and reputation among fellow lawyers, aiming to foster improved leadership within the legal community. Addressing the concerning issue of police brutality against lawyers, Agwegbodo highlighted the NBA's proactive response by establishing a committee under the leadership of Olumide Akpata to address the systemic abuse of human rights, particularly targeting legal professionals. He says there is a need for comprehensive orientation programs within security agencies to ensure a thorough understanding and adherence to human rights standards, thereby preventing violations.
Like I've always said, on the issue of police brutality, lawyers' brutality in the hands of police, or the issue of the infringement of security operatives of human rights of citizens, I've always advocated a three-pronged approach to it. The first one is there must be orientation within the police, a re-education of what constitutes human rights and what constitutes a violation. In other words, the NBA, in collaboration with other CLOs, must fashion out programs that will lead to police enlightenment periodically, so that a man cannot give what he doesn't have. If a police officer does not understand what constitutes a violation of a right and a right, there is no way he will be able to protect that very right. On the second hand, there must be enforcement of sanctions against erring security personnel who breach human rights. It will not be restricted only to the issue of internal disciplinary control, because internal disciplinary control is always not sufficient to curb officers from violating human rights. But when they are allowed to, when citizens are allowed to pursue their civil rights in enforcement of fundamental rights and pursue criminal matters against the police for assault or assault occasioning grievous bodily harm when it matters, and sanctions are handed out in terms of prison terms or fines, it will go a long way to send a message to erring officers.